And the Commission on Elections has reset the Sangguniang Kabataan polls to April 25 this year, this pending the enactment of a law postponing it to October 2016. More from Ria Fernandez.
Election period for SK elections is set to start on February 6. However, until now, President Noynoy Aquino has not signed yet the bill postponing the elections to October 2016. That's why the Commission on Elections decided to move the date of election to April 25 from February 21 in case the President will not approve the postponement. Based on the Omnibus Election Code, the COMELEC has the right to move or postpone an election if free and fair suffrage is in danger.
In order to give more time to the process, and also because it has become for us necessary to get more time, in case the elections really push through after all of this, we've decided that the COMELEC has decided to postpone the SK elections to April 25.
But COMELEC spokesperson James Jimenez clarified that the reason of their postponement was different from the Senate and House of Representatives.
Yung postponement ng Senado at ng Kongreso is actually to postpone it to October 2016. Alright? Ito sa amin, this is like a temporary measure to make sure na may panahon tayo to do the things that we need to do.
Election period takes effect from March 26 to May 10. At this time, all prohibitions like gun ban will be implemented, followed by the filing of Certificate of Candidacy on April 11, 13, and 14. While campaign runs from April 15 to 23 and will be disallowed on April 24, the day before SK elections. On April 25, voting precincts will be open from 7 a.m. until 3 p.m. And because it will be a manual election with only less than 3 million registrants, newly elected youth officials will be proclaimed within the day. Director Jimenez assures that SK elections will not affect the poll body's preparations for the 2016 national elections.
Elections naman, medyo parang it's something that we've been doing like for the longest time. So medyo dekahon na yung operation na yan.
For the People's Television, Ria Fernandez.